Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ Khaled and we're back with another drip video. Absolutely love drip, and I wanted to make this quick tutorial because I feel like a lot of people who are coming to drip, drip is actually getting more and more eyes on it as new people come in. New people who are probably even new to crypto itself want to get into this and not miss an opportunity like this. Now, specifically with a time like this where drip is on a dip, because a lot of people are actually kind of moving their drip rewards over to the mana farm. If you don't know what's the mana farm about, you can click in the top left or top right. I'm gonna leave a video talking about it. Other than that, today we're gonna be focusing on drip and the drip faucet, the place where you can make 1% daily and is super low risk. Why? Because the creator behind it, Forex, is an absolute legend. He's a very smart man. He designed this tokenomics of this contract to be very long-term sustainable. It literally is an anti-bear market token. Bitcoin's going down, this would still go up. I've seen this token hit $95 per drip when Bitcoin was literally in the 40,000s. Other than that, guys, today is going to be a tutorial about how to get into the drip faucet, how to start off. You are new here and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to get into it. First of all, you need to go to the Drip.community website, which I'm going to do that as well, so I can show you guys exactly what you'd see and what you're going to go through, because I'm also going to make a deposit. Now, once you're on here, you need to make sure to connect your wallet in the top right, as you guys can see. Now, if you're on a browser, you need MetaMask. It should be easy. You can Google it on Google extensions, and then you can easily connect it. Now, if you're on your phone, like Trust Wallet, it should be easier as well. And then after that, you want to go into the swap section. Why? Because the swap section will save you a lot of time. All your swapping is right here. Now, also you need to have a BNB in your back pocket, because this is a BNB pegged token, drip is. And as soon as you're in the swap, what you have to do is, first things first, you need to know that you need a minimum of 1 drip deposit. So if we're looking at drip right here, it is costing us $60 per drip. Now, right now, I'll be honest, drip is actually on a very cheap price. I remember I got in when it was around $50, but right now it has $60, and it has hit all-time high around $95. And 2022, a lot of people are actually calling that it's going to reach 200, 300, 400, etc. And I've even seen people go far as talking about drip can reach $1,000 per drip, which is crazy. But aside from the speculation of the coin value, we're going to tell you how to get into it. Right, so the first things first, you want to go down here which says buy drip, and I want to buy exactly around 1 drip. Now, I kind of needed to go to Google to find out what is $60 in BNB, and it says that it is 0.13 BNB. But because when you make a deposit or when you buy drip, you'll get 10% taxed. So I'm actually, as you guys can see, estimated received, it will actually give me 0.95 drip, but you need to have a minimum of 1 drip. So I'm going to up that to be around 0.15 BNB, and then I'm going to hit buy. And as simple as that, it will prompt you to confirm the transaction. And guys, make sure that you do have spare BNB in the background so you can afford for transaction fees. And as you can see on the right here, I have 0 drip balance, but soon it will update as you guys can see, the purchase is successful. And soon this will update to show me how much drip I have in value. And there you go, I have 1.1 drip. That is of value of $66. The next thing you want to do now is go to the faucet. This is the main section that you will be kind of looking at every single day, especially if you want to compound every single day. And towards the video, I'm going to show you, I have an Excel sheet that will simulate how far you can go with compounding every single day. Now, before you're able to actually deposit into the faucet, you need to have a body link. I'm gonna leave my body link in the description below. You can put it in as you scroll down. You put in your body link and you click apply or whatever, and after that you can then proceed to depositing in your faucet. And what you do after that is you come to the deposit box right here, you click max to keep it simple, and that will put my 1.1 drip, and then I click deposit. It'll prompt me again for transaction fee, and then as I come down, super cheap transaction fee, and just like that you will see. Now keep in mind, in my deposit number right here, it is 31.6. Now after the transaction will come in, that number should change, because deposit is your total value locked. As you guys can see, deposit successful, and as you guys can see, it is 33.09. Now I'm going to explain briefly what are these 6 numbers right here. First of all, available is going to be your accumulated drip that you have been making from your daily ROI. Now what you can do, you can keep this for a whole day and it will give you back 1% slowly, and it will accumulate in days and days and days if you let it go. But the best thing is obviously to hydrate, as you guys can see, which is the button right here, hydrate or recompound, every single day. So you can take that 1% that you made in a day and put it back in the total value locked. Why? Because that would make your next day's 1% slightly bigger. Now that small slight change of making that 1% slightly bigger, in the long run it will actually be an exponential growth. I'm going to show a picture in the screen. It will show you it's an exponential growth. At the start it's going to be small changes, but the momentum will start picking up, and that's why you want to think about the faucet in the long run. And that's why daily hydration is super powerful in the long run. No matter how little money you put in, you can literally grind out your bag in the long term to become something really big, and can turn you to making $100 a day, $1,000 a day if so. So the next thing is, as I mentioned, the deposits, which is the total value locked, which is the money that you put in the staking of the faucet. This is, keep in mind that this is money that you cannot take out. The only way you can make this money back is through literally waiting 100 days to make that 1% a day, which is 100%. The next thing is on the right is claimed. Claimed is how much money you have kind of moved, right? This will include money that you have cashed out and money that you have taken back into the rehydration. And right now for me it's a combination it's a total of 7.6 drip, and bottom middle, as you guys can see, is the max payout. Now keep in mind, this is very important. Now if you are someone who have been selling out every single day 1%, or you have left your account to be accumulating for 365 days and you have cashed out by the end of that year, you will reach your maximum payout. Once you've reached your maximum payout, the faucet will no longer make you your daily 1%. So you guys can see, you do want to cash out. You can cash out to make some money, take some profits, you know what I mean? You can do 5 days hydration, 2 days take profits in a week, 5 days hydration, 2 days take profit. But you don't want to be cashing out more than your hydration, because then you're actually coming closer and closer to your max payout. But if you're compounding more than you're cashing out, your maximum payout is actually becoming farther than you coming closer to it, which means you'll never reach it. Other than that, guys, that will be it for the tutorial. Welcome to the drip faucet. You have successfully made your first deposit. If you found this tutorial helpful so far, leave a like and subscribe for more drip videos, and let me know in the comments, what do you think about drip long term? Are you new to drip? Have you heard about this before? Let me know. I want to hear all your thoughts. Other than that, I just wanted to end this video with this Excel sheet where it can simulate how far you can take your drip, rehydration, daily compounding far. So let's say, for example, someone here has started with a $500 investment, 0.500, and the daily ROI is 0.01, which is basically 1%. The compound tax, you do get 5% taxed every time you hydrate, and deposit tax, it takes away 10%, and compound period, we're going to leave it at 24 hours. So it will show you the numbers right here raw in 365 days, but we don't want to go through that. I made it simple by making this small box, which will tell you the important parts. So in day one, from day one, as you put $500, you're making $4.5 a day, as you guys can see. But at day 30, you'll be making 5.92. It's not that big of an increase, but it is slight, gradual. In the next month, you'll be making 786, and so on. As you guys can see, it will carry on picking up until it'll carry on growing up, because you're carry on compounding. And actually kind of visualize this by making these graphs. As you guys can see, in the first month it's not that much of an increase. In the next 3 months it will actually become slightly better increase, and the next 6 months you can see the huge momentum that's starting to pick up, and in the full year you can see the full picture. At the start it's kind of slow, gradual increase, the momentum is being picked up, and then it starts to skyrocket out of control because your compounding has been very consistent. Your momentum is built up. You're gonna increase with exponential growth. This is the whole point of drip, and this is why I want you guys to keep that in mind, because do not be in here for the short term. The long term is going to be way greater, right? This can be crazy. Drip, some people are talking about drip reaching $200, and it's at $60 right now. Some people saying, oh, it can reach $1,000 per drip. Do you know how crazy that is? Because keep in mind, if the drip price did double, it will also double your total value locked. That also means that it could turn your $500 investment into $1,000 investment because the drip price went up twice, which would also mean even higher daily ROIs. This is great news. Now obviously this is speculative. Let me know what you guys think. What is the future price of drip in 2022? Is it gonna go to 500? Is it gonna reach 1,000? Absolutely crazy, but it's something that you guys, not financial advice, but keep an eye on at least. Other than that, guys, that will be the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new. I'm almost at 200 subscribers, and comment below, are you going into the drip faucet, or have you already been into the drip faucet? Other than that, it's been your boy DJ Khaled, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.